Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and if you are looking behind me, you might recognize that is Mount Pisgah in Holland, Michigan. Now, this set of 239 stairs is my daily workout. I love climbing them, and I found a way so that I can keep track of my laps. So, my friends, let's get cracking. So, just so you know, there will be a link up here in the right-hand corner if you want to watch this video. It was just a quick trip to Pisgah so you get an idea of what you're getting yourself into. The view, of course, is spectacular, and that was part of the problem. Is as I traveled up and down, I would lose track of things because I would talk to people and I would see amazing things. So what I did was I went into Tinkercad and I created what I call the Pisgah counting ring. Alright, so the ring is this simple. It is just a piece of 3D printed plastic, and every time I do a lap, I rotate it, so it goes from 1 to 2. Now, as you're moving, it can twist, but I just check it at the top, check it at the bottom, and it keeps me on track so that I can still enjoy all the cool sights, saying hi to everybody, and still have a clue what lap I'm on. Real quickly, I'm also going to show you how I built it, because the technique is so simple. You could easily make your own custom ring that had any words you wanted, and they print in about 10 minutes, which I've got one printing right over here. Alright, so this is kind of fun. This is where I started the project, where I did all these flat sides. And then this is the final version that you're looking at right now. You can see that it has 1 through X, because that's the easiest way to show 10. And then on the inside, I also cut out the words HLModTech, so if you're looking for the YouTube channel or the website, you can actually track me down like that. So real quickly, I'm going to ungroup it, and check this out. This outside edge is called a custom font, which you can find down on the all shapes. When you go to the second page, you can find the custom font text, and that's where I made it go in an arc of 320 degrees, so it goes almost all the way around. And then I simply typed in the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, X. I've got an inside diameter of 24, which is the outside shape for a size 10 ring. I did a lot of calculating to find that. And then this shape is just the awesome tube. So I gave it a radius of 13, which is 26 millimeters. I made the wall thickness 2.5, so it's got a decent thickness so it can stand up. And then I gave it a bevel so it has rounded edges. These are all things that you can play with. And then on the inside, I did that same custom font, but this time I changed it so it inverted the text curve so it was on the inside. And then when you group it together, I'll group those 3 shapes. Those things were called holes, so they cut out the words, and boom, we get our awesome counting ring. Just like that. Tinkercad is free, it runs in a browser, it's a ton of fun. You can make all kinds of amazing things, and you can find those things if you check out my YouTube channel. If you are using Tinkercad and you have questions, add them in the comments. I've had several users over the years say, hey, can you make this? And boom, if I can, I'll create a video that shows you how to make it. Friends, as you're climbing Mount Pisgah, also keep your eyes peeled. I have been putting little flexible things, kind of like a scavenger hunt. If you find them, there will be a little piece of plastic that says free as well, or if that's gone, you can just take them. But these are just cool things that I make that you're welcome to have, as I like to share the cool things we make when we 3D print. Lastly, friends, I just want to say thank you. I saw yesterday I hit 15K subs, which is fantastic. Thank you all for all your support. Friends, as usual, if you enjoyed this video or found it useful, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.